In this video, I'm going to go over the Multiline Text tool, how to add and edit text in our AutoCAD drawings. So the Multiline Text tool can be found in our annotation section of the ribbon here. So I'm on my Home tab. We've covered Draw Tools, we've covered Modify Tools, and the annotation section here has a text option. If you hit the drop down, you'll see we have two options, Multiline Text and Single Line. We're going to be using multi-line text whether we're just writing a single word or whether we're writing a whole paragraph, because it will allow us to have multiple lines within the same text box. So I'm going to select that, and you'll notice your mouse says specify our first corner. So you just draw a text box on your screen. You can always change the size of it later, and you type in whatever it is you want to say. So for example, I'm putting a label on here that's called polylines. So I type in my word, and when I'm done, I can just click to the outside of my text box. Now you can see my word, if I select it here, is really small on my screen. So if I want to edit my text here, I double click on it to edit it, and then because I want to change the size of the word I've already written, I actually have to highlight that word. So I'm just clicking and dragging and making sure I highlight that whole word. Then I'm coming up to my ribbon here, and you'll see at the top of our ribbon we have a text editor tab that is just a temporary tab that's opened up right now. This is where you can modify your text. So a lot of these are going to be familiar with you. Bullets and numbers, justification, position. These are all text options you've used in other, like Word, Excel, any other file or any other program that uses text. On the left-hand side here, if I move my mouse over to the left, you can see we have text size. Right now it's set to 0.2. Now the units of my drawing here are in millimeters, so this is 0.2 millimeters. If I want to make this bigger, let's say 10. I'm going to type in 10 there. Again, my word is fully highlighted. Hit enter, and my text will update to that new size. Again, when I'm done editing, I just select to the outside of that text box, and now my text is a size that is usable. So you can treat this like a regular draw tool. You can move it, you can mirror it, you can rotate it. So I'm just going to grab it, and I'm just going to move it into place. So that's how we can create a single word. Now if we want to create multiple lines of text in here, I could edit this one, but let's start another one. So again, I could come up to my ribbon, hit this drop down and choose multi-line text, or I could type in the hotkey, which is just MT for M text or multi-line text. I'm going to hit enter. Again, I'm going to draw my text box. This time I'm going to change the size of my text before I start writing, so I'm just up at the top here on the ribbon. I'm going to type in 10. Hit enter. There we go. And now you can see my text box has been modified for that larger size of text here. So if I wanted to type in multiple lines, so let's say I wanted to type in union and subtract and intersect all in one text box here. I would type in union, hit enter, subtract, hit enter, intersect, and when I'm done, I'm just going to click to the outside of that text box. And you'll notice, even though that text looked really big on my screen when I was typing it in there, as soon as I click and close that text box there by clicking just to the outside of it, you'll notice that this is updated so that it's actually the 10 millimeter size text there. So that's how we can use the multi-line text to add labels to our drawing.